So nung nakaraan mga madam sir no, best performing ng P-pop no, ng mga P-pop. So this time naman po sa video na to no, best performing Asian boy band. So Asian. So hindi lang sa Pilipinas mga madam sir no, sa buong Asia na to. Okay, so ito yung 15 best performing Asian boy bands dominating 2026 no. You can't ignore top 3 mga madam sir no. Wag nating i-ignore ang top 3. Okay, so this time madam sir 15 to no. Nakaraan 10 best performing ng P-pop. So this time 15 na to no. So marami to no. So marami na naman siguro kung mga hindi kilala rito, hindi familiar sa akin na mga pangalan ng grupo no. Pero dahil sa video na to, yan so malalaman po natin. Okay? Yan, so mga madam sir, tara samahan niyo po akong panoorin to, no? Nakita ko yung post sa FB, mga madam sir, yung top 15 best performing ng Asian boy bands. So, kaya napunta po ako dito sa pinakang video na to sa YouTube, no? So, doon kasi sa FB, nakita ko doon is may link. So, pagka-click ko, nanap ko kasi kung saan nanggaling eh. So kung anong source nung pinakang nag-post na yon, kung bakit meron siyang top 15 na best performing ng Asian boy band, no? So dahil doon, sa caption may link, in-click ko, napunta ako dito. Ayan, so dahil dyan, tara mga madam sir, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Uy, wait lang. Si ano yun si Sir Chuck yun Yun oh. Wait lang, balik ko ng konti para ma-highlight naman natin si Sir Chuck dito. Kailangan may timing natin. Up. Yun, Sir Chuck in the house. Si Repa nating Lodi Idol Sir Chuck na isa sa pinakamalupit na reactor ng ating mahalima SB19. Let's go!
Imagine a world where Asian boy bands aren't just trending, they're setting the rules for global pop. In 2026,
Ganda ng boses
some
ni,
groups will
shoutout
dominate.
nga pala Starwave no. Sa channel pala ni Starwave to, mamaya subscribe natin at the same time like yung pinaka video. Let's go.
Charts. Others will dominate fan influence, touring power, and even the music business itself. Today, we're counting down the 15 best performing Asian boy bands to watch in 2026.
Asian boy
And
band
believe
talaga tawag
me,
sa
the
kanila.
top 3 isn't just popular, they're game changers. Kindly like,
Halima.
share, and subscribe to Starwave as we dive in. 15. I Music and Style. I
INI. So parang ano yun ini. Hindi siya ini no, INI pala yun. Okay, tuloy.
combines traditional J-pop idol charm with modern pop rock elements, creating songs that feel both nostalgic and contemporary. Their choreography is precise and visually captivating. Fandom and engagement.
So wala siyang piniplay na kanta no ng INI o yun ng mga mismong boy band group na to no. So wala. So nag-ano lang siya rito, parang nag-documentary
Their
siya.
choreography is precise and visually captivating. Fandom and engagement. I has a highly organized fan base that drives physical album sales, fan events, and coordinated streaming campaigns. This dedication keeps them charting consistently. Touring and revenue.
Naano tuloy ako parang naiinganyo kung hanapin kung ano yung mga kanta ng grupo na to 'Di ba? Wala kasi siyang piniplay na music or pinakang ano ng background music nung grupo na to. So, anyway, so siguro susunod ilalive natin to yung mga Asian boy band no. Kasi may nag-request sa akin ng etong nakaraan na sa P-pop nga daw is mag-live ako para live request para malaman ko kung ano yung mga kung sino kung anong grupo ang meron sa mga P-pop. So gagawin natin 'yon. At the same time ito naman no. So Asian boy bands naman no, para malaman ko. Wala kasi talaga akong mga idea sa iba SB19 lang talaga yung pinakang ano ko Let's go.
This dedication keeps them charting consistently. Touring and revenue. Arena and dome tours in Japan guarantee multi-million yen ticket sales. I also collaborates with brands in Japan, boosting endorsement revenue. Global reach and strategy. While mainly Japan-centric, they
So
are
mga
slowly
to J-pop no, Japan to,
building
J-pop.
awareness in Southeast Asia through streaming and social platforms. Industry influence. I exemplifies how Japanese idol systems continue to thrive on physical sales and fandom loyalty, a model Western acts rarely replicate. In
Parang
Japan,
magaling din sila eh, no?
selling 1 million albums in a week is standard. I just makes it look effortless. 14 Hori 7 on.
Horion. Ano? Hori 7 on. Yung pag-pronounce. Pero pagkakarinig ko to, alam ko to eh. Number 14, yung ano eh. Horion eh. Alam ko Horion to eh. Horion. Let's go. Tuloy. Ganito.
Music and style. Hori 7 on merges P-pop melodies with K-pop performance energy, balancing
K-pop,
catchy choruses with
Korean.
strong rap lines and harmonies. Fandom and engagement. The multicultural composition appeals to both Filipino and international fans, building dual language
Alam ko halo to yung mga Horion eh. Alam ko meron silang parang half Korean, half Philippine.
social
Diba?
media engagement. Touring and revenue. Growing Southeast Asian touring demand shows potential for international expansion. Merchandise sales are growing steadily. Global reach and strategy. Their dual market positioning makes them proof of concept for cross-border idol projects. Industry influence. Hori 7 On is pioneering the
7 On
Philippine-Korean hybrid model, showing how small markets can leverage K-pop systems for global exposure. Filipino energy meets Korean idol discipline, and it's unstoppable.
Filipino energy. Pero half Filipino kasi nakalagay sa ano eh. Sa plug eh. May Filipino tsaka Korean base po dun sa post na nakita ko ha. Dun sa FB. So sa ano. Nakalagay kasi doon may mga ano sila. No, ito, yun oh, lalagay natin dito. Merong ano, ayan, merong nakalagay na half Korean at saka Philippine na ano na bandila no na flag, 'di ba? So akala ko tama ba ako? Half Filipino, half Korean ng mga Horion or Hori 7 on. Tuloy.
Filipino energy meets Korean idol discipline,
Korean
and it's
idol.
unstoppable.
Discipline.
13 Zero Basion.
Zero base yun.
Music and style. They lean heavily into pop,
Hindi ko kilala
R&B,
tong mga to.
and electronic elements, with highly synchronized dance and
Ngayon ko lang
digital
narinig din to.
content-heavy promotions. Fandom and engagement.
Yung mga pogi
Built-in
rin
fan
talaga,
base from survival shows creates instant social media buzz and content virality. Touring and
yun
revenue. While still young, their first concert tours were sold out
Kaya
within
lang yung galaw nila parang ibang-iba talaga. Ibang-iba sa galaw ng Mahalima kasi andun yung
hours.
Gigil. No?
Merchandise lines and collaborations are already profitable. Global reach and strategy. Zero-based international marketing, including YouTube content and streaming platforms, is designed for early global adoption.
It's AA
Industry
yata.
influence represents
Pero
the
mga
project
pogi.
group phenomenon. High intensity, short cycle success that maximizes visibility while the project lasts. Fans don't just follow, they invest in the ecosystem Zero Base One creates. 12
Zero Base One.
Riaz.
Oh,
Music and style.
Guys, number 12 na tayo. So di ko pa rin talaga familiar sa akin to.
Riaz mixes pop, hip hop, and EDM. Their visual aesthetic targets fashion, conscious youth.
Pero siguro yung mga nandito nababanggit dito sa ano to no, yung mga nag-perform din dun sa ano no, sa AAA sa Akon nung last time no.
Fandom and engagement. Strong social media engagement and content releases keep fans invested, especially on TikTok and Instagram. Touring and revenue. Expected to expand into smaller arenas first, then grow into stadium tours. Global reach
Iba
and
talaga yung
strategy.
galaw ng Mahalima.
Backed by SM Entertainment,
May
the group
kukumpara mo talaga yung galaw ng Mahalima no, ng SB19 pag nakikita mo yung mga ganitong mga performance ng ibang mga boy bands no. Iba kasi talaga yung gigil pag SB19 yung nag-perform eh. Di ba? So naano ko lang ha sa mga hindi fan ng SB19 na nanonood ngayon. So naiko-compare natin kasi ito nakikita ko naman
global
yung galaw.
reach and strategy.
Iba yung galaw.
Backed by SM Entertainment, the group benefits from global marketing infrastructure. Industry influence. Riaz represents the next wave of SM's Gen 4 strategy, targeting youth globally while
no?
testing style-driven branding approaches. Riaz is Gen 4
So
SM
focus tayo dito hindi sa mga vocal kasi nakalagay dito 15 best performing no, best performing Asia boy band. So focus tayo sa pinaka-performance pala, hindi sa pinaka mga kanta na nagawa nila. So sa performance andun yung vocal at the same time yung pinakang galaw sa pagsayaw.
while testing style-driven branding approaches. Riaz is Gen 4 SM Entertainment's experimental powerhouse, Watch
O
closely.
iba yung galaw
11.
talaga.
Next.
Next, ayos ayos yung, ayos yung ano yung pinakang pangalan ng grupo. Next.
Music and style. A hybrid of J-pop melodrama and K-pop
J-pop.
energy, balancing
Halo,
ballads and
Japan,
rap-driven tracks.
sa Korea.
Fandom and engagement. Built-in fans from survival programs in both countries create loyal support. Touring and revenue. Cross-border performance schedule maximizes both ticket and merch revenue streams. Global reach and strategy.
Naka-all
Dual
white,
management ensures simultaneous presence in 2 major markets. Industry influence. NEXZ exemplifies corporate co-production as a tool to accelerate cross-border idol dominance. 2 countries, 1 group, and a formula
Iba talaga
designed to
yung
conquer
galaw.
Asia. 10. The Boys.
The Boys.
Music and style. Pop-heavy
Hindi ko rin
tracks, harmonization,
Alam
and
to.
diverse choreographies. Fandom and engagement. Strong fan loyalty drives streaming, event attendance, and album pre-orders. Touring and
Ang
revenue.
dami talaga mga boy groups, no, sa Asian, no. Mga pop group, no. Talagang maraming hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas kasi talagang sumisikat ang P-pop talaga no. 'Di ba? Sumisikat sa Pilipinas at the same time no sa buong Asia, no. Talagang naglalabasan ng mga boy bands, no, boy group, no, mga pop group. No. So ang dami ko pala talagang hindi pa alam, no. Sa P-pop nga marami pa akong hindi kilala 'di ba? Pero andun sa P-pop kasi marami no, may mga babae talaga. Hindi lang dito kasi sa nabanggit dito. So parang puro lalaki pa lang yung nakita natin, wala pang babae. Sa Pilipinas kasi sa P-pop may mga babae tayo. Anyway, tuloy.
Streaming, event attendance, and album pre-orders. Touring and revenue. Consistent arena and international festival performances. Global reach and strategy. Moderate global exposure. Primarily strong in Asia. Industry influence. The Boys prove consistency beats hype. Stable revenue streams and branding. Not the loudest in the room, but profitably consistent. 9. Big Ocean.
Big Ocean. Oh, ito pang-line na tayo, 'di ba? Mga pogi rin
Music and style. Integrates inclusion narratives, storytelling, and diverse
alam.
musical genres. Fandom and engagement. International attention due to media coverage of unique positioning. Touring and revenue. Specialized tours for niche audiences. Merch lines emphasize storytelling. Global reach and strategy. Targets Western press and Asian niche markets simultaneously. Industry influence. Big Ocean is redefining niche market influence in mainstream K-pop. Breaking barriers while performing. That's how you last longer than trends.
So K-pop din
8.
to, no?
Enhypen.
Ito, kilala ko to, Enhypen. 'Di ba? Ito yung parang medyo ano na tayo, pakilala ba to?
That's how you last longer than trends. 8.
Bang 8 na, no? Mula sa 8 siguro makilala ko na iba rito, no? So karamihan dito. 'Di ba? Enhypen. Ayan, parang yan, nakita ko na yung pangalan niya, parang naging ambassador sila ng anyway, so basta saan na ba 'yon? So Dunkin Donut ba 'yan? Nakita ko 'yan. May poster yan dito
Breaking
Okay,
barriers
tuloy.
while performing. That's how
Tuloy.
style. Blend of alt pop, R&B, and electronic music. Fandom and engagement. Highly interactive fan engagement via social media, streaming, and live V-Lives. Touring and revenue. Stadium-level tours in Asia, North America, and Europe. Global reach and strategy. Tailored marketing for Gen Z worldwide. Merchandise lines in fashion and gaming collaborations. Industry influence. Enhypen demonstrates how storytelling and interactivity scale fandom globally. Enhypen isn't just a band, they're a cultural signal. 7. Atis.
Atis 80s basa ko dyan Atis. Okay. Kilala ko to. Ito, kilala ko rin to, mga madam.
Music and style.
Ayan.
Heavy emphasis on high-energy live shows with hip-hop and EDM
Ayan,
influence.
napanood ko na rin yung
Fandom
performance
and
nito sa
engagement.
AAA
Loyalty through concert culture and online fan communities. Touring and revenue. International tours with sold-out
Magaling din tong mga
stadiums.
to.
Merchandise focused on limited editions. Global reach and strategy. Penetrates Western markets via US tours and streaming playlists. Industry influence. Demonstrates the power of performance-driven branding. Energy translates to revenue.
Nakita ko ano to eh, parang napanood ko na isang video na to, ano, talagang magaling talaga sila mag-rap. Talaga bangers din yung talaga mga kanta nito nung artista to o 80s.
Concerts so intense, fans call it legendary energy. 6. TXT.
TXT.
Music and
Hindi ko alam.
style. Pop rock fusion, thematic storytelling across albums, fandom
music
and
video
engagement, interactive fandom campaigns, global
Mukhang
streaming
napagaling
dominance,
yung mga
touring and revenue,
sumusunod-sunod
expanding into global arena tours, merchandise in collaboration with
Sagasaan.
fashion brands, global
Empty.
reach and strategy, US, Europe, and Asian presence, multilingual releases, industry influence. TXT is Gen 4 Pop's blueprint,
TXT.
blending artistry, business, and fan engagement. Tomorrow
Wala
X
yan,
Together is today's global strategy for K-pop. 5.
K-pop to.
NCT.
NCT.
Music and styles.
Hindi ko na alam to.
Hyperpop, experimental, subunit-based modular approach. Fandom and engagement. Large fan base spread across multiple subunits. Touring and revenue. Stadium-level tours for subunits. Subunit merchandise maximizes revenue. Global reach and strategy.
Ang dami
Subunits
talagang
in
ano,
Japan, China, Southeast Asia, and US. Multilingual content. Industry influence. Modular content model. Constant presence across
So
markets.
ito yung top 15 ni Star Wave, no, mga madam. So hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung basihan niya rito sa pagkuha niya ng kumbaga ng parang datos matawag doon para malaman kung sino yung top 1, sino yung pinakang, di ba, sa pagkakasunod-sunod, no. Pero tingin ko base ito sa content niya na ginawa, ito yung para sa kanya na ano, na nakikita niya talagang kumbaga mga pinakamagagaling, 15 pinakamagagaling para sa kanya. So I think marami pa, no, hindi lang itong 15. So ang dami ng buong Asia, ang daming mga ano boy bands or mga pop group, no. So dito sa sa mga nilagay niya rito, no, talagang marami akong hindi pa kilala, no. So kumbaga bilang lang dun sa mga nabanggit niya kanina. So ayan, tuloy natin to.
Industry influence. Modular content model. Constant presence across markets. NCT isn't a group. It's a global pop network. For 17.
17.
Music and
Yeah, alam
style.
ko yan, 17.
Self-producing, diversified genres,
Yeah, magagaling din talaga
cohesive
to.
choreography, fandom and
Magaling to.
engagement. Extremely loyal,
Napanood ko na yan sa
organized
AAA.
fandom ensures sales, streaming, and
Doon
global
sa live.
reach. Touring and revenue, Japan Dome tours, Asia Stadium tours, global merch.
Yan, no,
Global
yun.
reach and
Kung
strategy.
kanina din sa mga nagdaan kanina, no, parang yung mga galawan kasi doon talagang ano, parang honest to say, parang ganun, no. So, totoo lang talaga is ano, nalalamyaan pa ako sa galon nung ano, yung ganun. Pero siguro hindi ko alam kung ano yung tugtog nun kaya ganun kalamya. Dito sa grupo na to naman, ito na ay talagang kita natin yung galaw na andun na yung gigil, no. Ito, balikan
Tours,
natin.
Asia Stadium
Ayan,
tours, global
Diba?
merch, global reach and strategy. Strategic
Meron
album
na.
releases worldwide, multilingual campaigns, industry influence, infrastructure level dominance, shows how self-production scales
pagaling na ng
global
pagaling mo.
success. 13 members,
Papunta na ng
1 unstoppable
13 members, ang dami pala nila. Ang dami.
self-production scales global success. 13 members, 1 unstoppable blueprint. 3 BTS, legendary
BTS
global
na.
influence, billions in streaming and touring
Pangatlo yung BTS. Oo.
revenue. Massive,
Okay.
loyal fandom ensures any release
Ito
is an
talaga
instant
napakasikat
global
na sikat
event.
niyan.
Strategic collaborations with brands, philanthropy, and global platforms. Business
Nabanggit ko kanina, walang babae. O nga pala, sorry, no. Boy bands, ano ba naman, dog? So, boy bands nga pala to, Asian boy bands. Kaya pala walang mga babae. Ay, nako! Doon kasi sa nakaraang ginawa natin ng reaction video is, ano doon, buong P-pop sa top 10 P-pop, no. So, wala nilagay kung boy or girl doon. Dito, boy bands pala. Ay, nako, mali-mali na naman, dogs. Tuloy.
collaborations with brands, philanthropy, and global platforms. Business influence helped K-pop become global infrastructure ready. Even legends aren't guaranteed the top
Isa yan sa
anymore.
pioneer, BTS.
BTS is back, but the market has evolved. to Stray Kids.
Stray Kids,
Music and
yan.
style.
Isa pa yan. Isa talaga yan. Yan talaga, magaling din talaga. Masabi natin, may pagkukumpara, no? Pinagkukumpara ang ating mahalima SB19 dyan sa Stray Kids talaga. Ito yung parang bahit sa nakikita ko, talagang dikit na labanan ng SB19 talaga yan. Ang
But the market has evolved.
di ba?
To Stray Kids.
Stray Kids.
Music and style. Hard-hitting hip-hop,
Hip-hop
EDM,
din talaga.
and experimental pop.
Iba rin mag-rap.
Lyrical
Bangers yung
themes
mga kanta
focus
rin.
on youth and self-identity. Fandom and engagement. Massive international fan base. Stay, that drives streaming.
Kumbaga para sa akin parang ito yung dumidikit din sa BTS o sa 'di ba sa bansa nila Kasi sa Pilipinas number 1 talaga SB19 eh. So sa K-pop or sa Korea parang ito yung pumapalit, tama ba? 'Di ba? May ikukumpara mo sa BTS itong grupong Stray Kids na to So solid din talaga kasi
Massive international fan base. Stay, that drives streaming, global trends, and merchandising. Touring and revenue. Sold out tours across Asia, North America, and Europe.
Grabe.
Strong secondary income from
Lakas
limited
din
merch
talaga,
and digital experiences.
Sold out din.
Global reach and strategy. International charting, US Billboard 200 appearances. Collaboration with global brands. Industry influence. Redefining how Gen 3-4 groups approach self-production and global strategy. They are leaders in creative autonomy while monetizing efficiently. They didn't follow the rules. They redefined them, and the world noticed.
Solid din talaga kasi.
SB19.
Yes,
Music-
of course. Number 1, mga madam, walang duda, mga sir, Di ba? Sa 15, sila talaga yung pinaka, Pinaka na. Sila na ngayon ang pinaka talaga, di ba?
Find them, and the
Matik.
world noticed. 1. SB19. Music and style. P-pop with global sensibilities. Strong vocal lines and self-produced rap/chorus segments. Fandom and engagement. 1 billion plus Spotify streams.
Ooh.
Viral social media campaigns.
Yeah, matik.
Global fan coordination. Touring and revenue. Asia-Pacific tours. Sold-out merch lines.
Matik.
High-ticketed events. Global reach and strategy.
Okay.
Billboard number ones, UK charting, growing Western exposure.
Grabe, ang daming
Industry
achievement yan.
influence. Self-managed, own masters, selective brand deals. Leveraging independence as business model. Unique advantage, merges artistic control with business savvy, creating a model other Asian acts are studying in 2026. SB19 doesn't just perform,
Grabe.
they own the system.
So, ilikilabutan na ako wait lang. Di ba? So, hindi Pinoy yung si Starwave So, hindi siya Pinoy. Hindi siya Pilipino talaga na na fan ng SB19. So, ito yung nakikita niya base sa sabi natin talaga, walang duda, Di ba? Hindi kapwa natin kalahi pa na Pilipino ang nag-aangat, kumbaga meron talaga nag-aangat na talagang na hindi Pinoy pero talaga masasabi niya para sa kanya is talagang number 1 ng SB19 pagdating sa performance, sa live performance, 'di ba? Live monster talaga, So hindi nagli-lip sync, 'di ba? Unlike sa mga iba diyan, 'di ba? Di ba? Alam na natin yung mga diyan, 'di ba? So the best talaga para sa kanya. Siya pa yan na hindi Pinoy pero hanggang humahanga siya. Kaya naging top 1 sa performance ang SB19. Matik!
26.
Diba?
SB19 doesn't just perform, they own the system. 2026 isn't about who trends for a week. It's about who owns growth, controls expansion, and tours profitably across borders. From Japan to Korea to the Philippines, Asian boy bands are building their own global power centers. And the top 3, they are reshaping the blueprint of pop music.
Top 3.
Which group shocked you the
yung
most
top 3 na yun
based
mula
on my own
BTS
personal
rankings.
ranking? Who do you think will dominate in 2026? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Starwave to enjoy more deep dives like this.
Okay. Alright, yun. So mga madam, mga sir, 15 best performing Asian boy bands dominating 2026. Di ba, like natin. Subscribe natin si Starwave. Di ba? Ayun. Walang duda, matik, SB19, So boy bands, 15, sila pa yung naging number 1. Okay. Alam naman natin siyempre, marami naman din nagpatunay na 'yan 'no, hindi lang talaga kapwa Pinoy 'no ang mag-aangat sa kapwa natin Pinoy kasi nga, even 'di ba ibang bansa mga foreigner na mismo, 'di ba ito hindi naman 'to Pinoy, 'di ba? Pero masasabi natin na umahanga siya kaya naging number one para sa kanya, ang SB19 pagdating sa performance. 'Di ba ang gagaling nun mula BTS 'no? Yung tatlong dikit na yon, BTS tapos Stray Kids, 'di ba? Ano? BTS, Stray Kids tapos SB19 talagang 'di ba? Digmaan yung labanan parang ano, 'di ba? Parang masabi nating ano 'yan halos dikit talaga, no? So kasi talaga magagaling 'yan, mga tatlo na 'yan, pero talaga nag-number one, no? Nag-number one talaga ang ating mahal na SB19, 'di ba? Solid, no? Top 1 pa rin pagdating sa performance, hindi lang sa buong P-pop, no? So, talagang ano na, Asian boy bands na sa buong Asia na. Okay, yan sa mga madam sir, maraming salamat uli sa panonood sa aking video upload na to. Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo na naman po ang aking bagong in-upload na to. No? So magkita tayo sa mga susunod na upload. Once again, this Dogs UTV. Peace. I'm out. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless all.